Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. So you're managing a cPanel website and you've stumbled upon a pesky 404 error. How do you fix it? Or you could be worried your content is not reaching your audience due to 404 errors. Don't worry, we've got you covered. So what exactly is a 404 error? It's basically a message telling you that the page you're looking for can't be found. This can happen for a few reasons, which we'll dive into soon. But the good news is that fixing these errors is totally doable, and we're here to help you through it. So what usually causes a 404 error? Here are a few common reasons. One is broken links. Sometimes links lead to pages that no longer exist. Another one is deleted or moved content. If you move or delete a page without setting up a redirect, visitors will hit a 404 error. The last reason is incorrect URLs. Typos or mistakes in the URL can also cause these errors. Now, let's talk about how to identify these errors. You can use tools like Google Search Console, which helps you monitor your site's performance and spot any crawl errors, including 404S. There are also online broken link checkers like Broken Link Checker and Dead Link Checker that can scan your site and report any broken links. Once you've identified the 404 errors, it's time to fix them using cPanel. Here are the key procedures. 1. Fixing broken links. Broken links can lead your visitors to pages that don't exist anymore. Here's how you can fix them. Log in to your cPanel account. Navigate to the File Manager in the Files section. Open the public_HTML directory or the directory where your website files are stored. Check the HTML files where you suspect broken links might exist. Look for any tags that might be pointing to non-existent pages. Verify the URLs in your links. Ensure they are correct with no typos or incorrect paths. Edit the HTML files to update the broken links with the correct URLs. Save your changes after making the necessary edits. 2. Redirecting deleted or moved content. If you've moved or deleted some pages, setting up redirects is essential to avoid 404 errors. Here's how to do it in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account. Find the Domains section and click on Redirects. Select the type of redirect, 301 Redirect. This tells everyone and search engines that your page has moved permanently. 302 Redirect. This is for when you're just moving things around temporarily. Choose the domain you want to redirect. If you want to redirect all your domains, select All Public Domains. In the Redirects to Field, type the full URL of the new location. Make sure to include the protocol http:// or https://. Set any redirect options as only redirect with www or redirect with or without www or do not redirect www. Enable wildcard redirect if you want to redirect all files from one directory to the corresponding file in the new location. Click the Add button to set up the redirect. Test the redirect by typing the old URL into your browser to ensure it takes you to the new location. 3. Fixing incorrect URLs. Typos or incorrect URLs can lead to 404 errors. Here's how you can find and fix them. To identify typos, use the raw access logs in the metrics section of cPanel to identify any incorrect URLs. This will show you all the requests made to your site, including those with mistakes. Navigate to the File Manager and open your HTML files. Look for any URLs that might be misspelled or have typos. Click around your site and check if any links lead to 404 errors. This can help you spot URLs that need fixing. To correct these URLs, in the File Manager, open the HTML files where the incorrect URLs are located. Find the typo and fix it. Save your changes. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, go to your admin dashboard. Find the page or post with the wrong URL, correct it, and save the changes. For URLs you can't easily change, set up redirects in cPanel to automatically send visitors to the correct page. Preventing future 404 errors is key to maintaining a smooth running website. Regularly check for broken links using tools like Google Search Console and maintain consistent URL structures. Use clear, descriptive URLs and set up redirects when making changes. And that's it. Fixing 404 errors in cPanel not only improves user experience, but also keeps your website's SEO strong. With these tips, you'll keep your site running smoothly and your visitors happy. Hope this helps. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy fixing and see you next time.